Administrati, Economici, where is your appointment? Sleep off.
Eva, chebo. Porco capitalistu.
He goes to see Tankage.
Very important man. You're lucky he sees you. Sometimes it takes many days.
And does he speak English or German?
Before the Libertati, only Russian. Now, suddenly he speaks English very well.
What was he before the Libertati?
Ah, the same. Minister of Trade with General Vulcani. Of course. Then he only traded with the Russians. They sent us their oil and we sent them our everything else.
But still, the new regime kept him on.
Yes. Some say, let us shoot him. Others say, ours is a nice revolution. Let us keep him where he is. After all, only he understands the files. Maybe he even knows how the country works. Nobody else does. Dr. Dorfman of Europe.
Welke? I am Vero. I am the minister's typewriter.
I think his typist.
Very well. So, for you, I changed all his appointment. This was very hard work.
I'm very grateful. Thank you very much.
Do you know a perfume, Magritte?
Yes, very nice.
You don't have any?
No, I'm sorry.
Maybe when you want another appointment, you will have some.
Hey! Welke. So, Dr. Dorfman, you have come to make our economic miracle, eh? You brought me the money.
What money?
Dorfman, for you, we made our revolution. We cut the bonds of our Russian brothers. We turned with joy to the West, and you don't at least bring me a very big check.
It doesn't really work like that, Mr. Tankage. I have to examine the problems, assess, advise.
And then you bring me the money, eh? Come in, come in. Enough of this materialism, eh? Please. Now, it is time for coffee, eh? You see, I know all about coffee.
Hello.
Professor Ron Ram of the Slacken Academy of Arts and Sciences.
I'm the president's economical advisor.
He wrote a very famous book of Marxist economics.
Of course, I have torn it up since.
Never mind, nobody read it anyway. I said coffee, but first, something more spiritual.
Rotviti, our Slakan brandy.
Slacken toast. I do not drink. I do not smoke. I do not go with women, except when you are here. May you come here very often.
What about these new girls?
And tomorrow he'll come for you.
You will go to the castle. The president longs to meet you.
You have a daughter. She's beautiful, and already she's asking for you.
To talk only, I'm sorry. So, be fresh, be clever, and my friend, you and I, we will make together the music of capitalism.
You sing. They roughed him up.
No, Grigor. Only we rough up. They entertained him.
The British Embassy Slaka. Steadyman speaking.
Felix, old chap, it's Michael Spearpoint, your old chum from Charterhouse. That's right, Gummy Spearpoint. You'll never forget, do you? No, I'm now back with the FCO in London.
Hang on a minute, I'm just going to activate a little device so we can't be overheard. All set. Right, you can speak freely.
It's just as the chap coming your way we'd like you to keep an eye on. Perhaps throw a few hurdles in his path. No, nothing too dramatic. We are British after all. His name is Dorfman. Hans Joachim Dorfman, otherwise known as Bloody Dorfman. All right? Goodbye.
2 of The Gravy Train Goes East is next Monday at 10.